Will Tesla go up? Will it go down? When and where would Tesla peak? Today we're going to be answering all these questions and more. So keep watching this video as we share with you our Tesla stock price prediction for the year 2021. But that's not all we're going to talk about. We're also going to be talking about what Tesla stock could look like in the coming years. You should watch to the end of this video to learn some interesting facts about the company and its history. So let's get started. We want to start off by talking about the S&P 500 a bit. Tesla was lucky enough to be included in the list on December 21, 2020. This is because when Tesla joined the S&P, this acted as a catalyst for Tesla's stock price itself and not only the market sentiment around it. Also, back in August of 2020, the price of a single Tesla stock rose to $2,000. So understandably, many people were seriously considering investing in Tesla. But if you're one of these people, we seriously suggest you keep watching this video to learn more about Tesla's stock's future. So let's look at the predictions of stock experts for Tesla in 2021. Adam Jones, who's an analyst for Morgan Stanley, says that the future of Tesla seems bright. He also recently upgraded his recommendation and thinks we should buy rather than hold. These views are also shared by analysts at the investment bank Goldman Sachs, and the bank has also switched the recommendation from hold to buy. Plus, it has also increased its one-year target from $455 to $768. Right now, there are 34 analysts offering one-year price forecasts for Tesla stock, and they're giving an average price of $440, the highest estimate price at $800, and a low price at $40. The site Long Forecast thinks that Tesla stock would be even more bullish in 2021, and has predicted the price of TSLA soaring to over $1,000 as the year ends. The maximum price prediction of Long Forecast, which is of $1,052, would represent a total percentage increase of almost 80%. If you're a future investor who's wondering whether to buy, the advice based on these predictions is clear: buy now to profit later. But does everyone agree? In reality, Tesla has never been fully trusted by many analysts who believe these stock prices are quite overrated. And what's even more worrying is that Elon Musk himself agrees. The leaked email to Tesla staff showed Elon warning that the soaring stock price predictions were only achievable if the business managed to cut costs. The 1% profit margin has meant that future prices will be highly influenced by shareholder confidence in Tesla. So that was some of the experts' predictions about Tesla in 2021. But what about the longer run? The short-term predictions for the stock price of Tesla are king of a mixed bag. From breaking the $1,000 barrier to deflating like a lot, these forecasts are varied. If you're even more confused about whether you should buy in Tesla right now, keep watching. We're looking ahead of 2021 now to see the long-term future of Tesla stocks. The predictions go that Tesla stock price won't hit $1,000 in 2022 and will continue trading between $800 and $900 for the majority of 2023. Wallet Investor also thinks that 2024 and 2025 will see TSLA defending its position even better, and the price will hit $1,200 by July 2025. However, LeoProfit.com thinks otherwise. For exactly half of 2022, LeoProfit.com forecasts a negative growth rate, with the stock price eventually closing the year at a very low value of $561. Although the year starts relatively strong with a new all-time high of $717.07 in May, the decline later will take it to lower than its current price of $695. How has the stock price of Tesla changed over time? Tesla entered the EV market in 2003, but it only started making a profit in 2013, with Elon Musk becoming the CEO in 2008. Tesla's main aim is to expedite the switch to more sustainable forms of transport, making use of electricity and solar energy to power its vehicles. Since 2003, Tesla has become the world's best-selling plug-in and battery electric passenger car manufacturer. Then in 2019, Tesla's global sales officially increased by 50%. But it's not all rainbows and cupcakes, as the company has frequently been at the center of lawsuits and controversies, a lot of the time due to Elon Musk's outrageous conduct. One such incident happened in August 2017 when he tweeted that he had secure funding to take the company private at $420. This claim later proved to be completely false. So how has this impacted the Tesla stock price? Throughout December 2020 alone, Tesla gained more than $100 and opened at a value of about $584 at the beginning of the month and is now trading at $695. It's a jump that has caused many investors to be forced to think if Tesla stock is actually overpriced. For others, though, this success has been a huge reassurance after the coronavirus crash that occurred back in March, as investor uncertainty grew to a fever pitch when the news of the COVID-19 outbreak swept across the world. The crash started on March 9, 2020, when the Dow fell by 7.79%, 2,013.76 points in just one day. At the time, this was a record. But on March 12th and again on March 16th, this record was broken. And like most companies, TSLA wasn't immune to this crash. Between March 6th and March 16th, the stock price of Tesla crashed from 140.696 to 89.014, its lowest price of the year. The fact that it's recovered so strongly is a result of various factors. Let's have a look at some of these factors that have affected the stock price of Tesla. What are the factors that affect the stock price of Tesla? If you're wondering, is now a good time to buy Tesla? We strongly recommend taking some time to understand the types of factors that can affect its stock price. Analyzing the historic prices of the stock can be a great way of identifying potential patterns, but by exploring some of these factors, you can predict how different events may affect its valuation. This in turn increases your chances of predicting breakout periods in advance, actually. Let's take a look at the top factors that can affect the price of Tesla stock. Tesla's stock splits. Tesla announced its first ever stock split as a public company in August 2020. The 5-for-1 split was effective from August 28th, as the firm aimed to make stock ownership more accessible for employees following a rise in share price. And even though the splits don't automatically affect a stock's value because it only reduces the price of each share, it's not unusual for the increased investor confidence to drum the price up as a result. This is exactly what happened at Tesla as the news of the stock split broke on August 11th, when the stock price of TSLA was about $274. By the end of the month, the stock price had risen to a staggering $498, and many analysts believed that the split was the catalyst for this growth. Since then, the stock price has continued to climb to its current price of $695. The introduction of Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is an electric sedan car that began production in the middle of 2017. In March 2020, it became the best-selling electric car in the world, with an achievement of Europe's top-selling plug-in car the year before. This model was largely responsible for the fact that Tesla's total vehicle sales soared by a whopping 50% in just 1 year. As the Model 3 has increased in popularity, investor confidence in the long-term prospects of the company has also grown, which has also driven up the price of the stock.
Gigantisch auf das neue Model 3.
I don't see it as a replacement for this car. I think the Model 3 will be more a day-to-day use car.
The success of Elon Musk's SpaceX. And now about SpaceX. Space Exploration Technologies Corp., or SpaceX for short, is an aerospace manufacturer. The company was founded by Elon Musk with the intention of making space travel more affordable and eventually taking humans to Mars. It's no secret that SpaceX and Elon himself are hugely controversial. But the success of the company has undoubtedly had a beneficial effect on the stock price of Tesla. On Saturday, May 30th, 2020, SpaceX successfully launched its SpaceX Dragon, the first private spacecraft to carry astronauts to the International Space Station. Although Tesla isn't financially dependent on SpaceX, the voyage caused investor confidence in Elon Musk to go up. As a result, the stock price of TSLA rose from about $162 on Friday the 28th of May to more than $179 on Monday the 1st of June. And with long-term plans for SpaceX's Mars colonization still underway, as well as a variety of smaller missions, we may well see further effects on Tesla's stock price in the future. Existing and would-be investors alike should monitor the news around SpaceX, as developments could cause the price of TSLA to change. So those were the expert predictions about Tesla stock prices in 2021 and beyond. What are your opinions? Let us know in the comments down below. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.